looking. Hold on. SEED. Fast. FAST. ABUS. I just to add them because they're movers. NVIDIA, Apple, Facebook, Baba, probably IQ, Netgear, NTGR, and let me give you some losers.
There's a couple more in there.
Did anybody write that down?
Yeah, I'm putting in 2 seconds.
How's he Shannon NASDAQ? Yeah, we're doing group backtesting in Discord right now. About 6 of us are in here, and we're getting ready to simulate trade July 11th.
All right, I guess I shouldn't be telling you guys on the downside or the upside, but on the other ones we got AAL, American Airlines, Fossil, FOSL, PetQ,
FSOL.
FOSL, Fossil,
Hi NASDAQ, yeah.
GPRO, GoPro.
I'm good, NASDAQ. How you do? How to track
I don't
short
know what this is
squeeze?
gonna look. Yeah, go. We'll just do 2 more.
Yeah, there's no problem with that, NASDAQ. We got people all over the world. People from India.
Looking.
I can't remember the other. Yeah, eventually.
PZZA.
Huh?
I don't think we could touch that one.
And I guess that's a fairly good list right there.
All right, published in the pit.
I don't see it.
Should be
Yeah, I don't see it either.
pit under member trades. Maybe I put it in the wrong place. Member traders, the pit.
Yeah, I don't see it. It's not there.
It said you were typing though.
Yeah, I saw you typing.
Copy. Where can I put
Thanks,
it?
Luke.
Picks, FNG. Not everyone has that.
Try and just post it in the pit again, or send it to me privately and I'll repost it.
How about that? That go for it?
It jumped, like it moved, but
No. All right, I got it from you. Hold on.
I just send it to everyone who's on here. If you want.
For those that are jumping in, we are currently about to fire up a group back test. We're in Discord right now.
All right,
In
post it in the pit.
Live voice.
Nope.
We're
I see it.
about to back test
You
July
don't see a
11th.
star that says the pit under
So if you
member
want to
traders.
trade with us and join
Well,
us,
I see it.
you
The last
can
thing I got is wish my
you can
phone
jump on
hadn't died.
TOS or whatever your
I saw
trading
you
software you
typing.
got,
I saw your name
and set
pop
your
up for
time
half a second, and it just
to
disappeared.
July 11th.
Try and refresh it.
That's what happened to me too.
Here, I'll tell you what. I'm just gonna send it to you privately.
Yeah, I'm just
Like,
got
you just sent it to me. It's all right.
Fucking Discord's broke again.
Yeah, the same thing happened when Leggy went and posted it in the pit.
Discord's broke again.
Figures.
All right. Here, Garen sent. Who else needs it?
George.
George, you still need it?
Yeah, let me get it.
All right, so I can put it in. It's in the chat now. That's weird.
Yeah, I see your post.
Can you guys try to type something right now? Try to post in. What the hell?
What the hell?
Yeah, something popped up.
Yeah, wrong chat there, Leggy. Sorry.
Yeah, it looks like it's working. I don't know what was up with it. They're posted though. Yeah, got that one too. I don't know who that is though, and who that is.
They probably got the notification.
I think they're new, and I've seen some of them in chat.
I guess we could tell them what we're doing, right?
They might be on stream right now.
You're streaming also?
Yeah, I just turned on stream. I told them they can, if they want to join us, they can backtest July 11th.
Find any cheaters on those tips.
I got a big feeling about Mawa.
About what?
Some random ticker.
You just picked.
Hi, Dylan.
I don't even know if
Hey,
that's
Alex.
a thing. Yeah, no, Mawa is not a thing.
Yeah, I'm getting better, yo.
So the only thing that's going to get us is as we're surfing through stocks, I think it's going to buffer. So we all might lose a few seconds here and there.
Yeah.
A lot of seconds.
I'm paused right now at 9:30. AAL is looking like it's going to break trend and then go to 37.50. Almost a point move. We can't set alerts.
Okay.
Let me know when to start it.
No, you can't set alerts on this.
Yeah, I don't think you can. We'll do about 10 minutes of pre-market analysis and then just fire it up. I'm red, Chief, but I'm starting to turn green.
All right. So we're saying AAL looks like it's going to go long.
Short. It might bounce and just range, but it looks like it's breaking that micro. It looks like a bear flag on the daily.
I agree.
Sure.
So on the short side, what we're going to be looking for is obviously we'd like to see a pullback with something going up, and then to take it short at least at the crack of the day, or depending on how much it goes, we'll make a decision then.
Yep. Nvidia looks like a continuation wedge on the daily. It's breaking down on trend right now.
Are we July 11 again?
Yeah, July 11th. Yeah, I agree. Nvidia looks like a good short.
Got plenty of potential to the upside. For those that are just joining, we are doing a group back test down in live trading. A bunch of us are down here in live trading. We're back testing July 11th. If you want to join us, fire up your charting software and set your time to July 11th at 9:30, and you can follow along with our calls, picks, and practice trading.
I agree. That's got a lot of movement in it.
I think this would be a really good live stream to do maybe once or twice a week. Practicing backtesting as a group. That way you can have a bunch of different people
It is a potential pump and dump though,
making
so
calls. And then if you want the notes on the tickers we're watching, it's in the pit under Members Trader right here.
Where's my volume go? It's the highest volume out of the ones we got. MTSL.
I'm short. I'm bearish on Apple.
I'd have to agree. I mean, I think it's gonna go up too, but
Down then up.
all right.
Yeah, I'm not going to take a position on Apple until it for like 30 minutes into the open because it could go either way.
I mean, it does look like it wants to go short though.
Yeah. It's holding downtrend and EMAs are bearish.
Looking at fast, they've got earnings today, or that day.
Looks like a short.
Estimate 666.
Definitely a short.
Yep, jump in that one immediately.
And
There she go.
actual is 0.74, so yeah, it's gapped up. Looks like a long.
Where you getting your data from?
It's
TOS.
if you-
Oh, how do you see the
Hover over
earnings
that
estimate and
footprint.
stuff?
So on my charts, I selected the option to where it shows earnings dates with like a little light bulb on the bottom.
Okay. The
yeah,
blue
you
one?
just gotta hover over that.
Let me see if I can figure out how to do that. Hold on one sec.
It's blue, right? I got a 74 on fast.
Yeah, it's a little blue light bulb.
What's the actual then? I don't see the actual.
Hover your mouse over it.
Actually,
Yeah.
0.74.
Ah. That's it.
So better than expected. Should be a long.
Okay, cool. I did not know that.
And oddly enough, and I don't use this, but I have it on when I do my on-demand just because I play with different charts to see how they work. According to the RSI, it's way oversold, which is strange.
On what time frame?
I always go 1 minute, but if you go 1 minute and then RSI,
Baba looks like a short.
It's 50% retracement right now on fast on the fibs. That nice bear bull flag. Could be a good, nice long off a 52 flat. I think I'll do a loose entry on that. 52 flat, stop loss down to 51.
It was on fast, yeah.
Yeah, fast.
Yeah, she's a long. So she probably get some resistance around 52s. Yeah, well, she might be okay.
$1 stop loss.
52, 60.
$1 is 30 shares.
like, I'm gonna send you something real quick. I mean, I can send it to all y'all if you want, and just delete off. It's extremely stupidly busy.
What is it?
There's just a bunch of bullshit and custom think scripts and stuff like that. copy and paste that into your TOS, and that'll show you that divergence that I did. So I kind of hacked one of Warrior Trading's things. He was talking about it in a video one day and had the thing script up, so I just paused it and fucking wrote it.
Sneaky, sneaky.
If you're back testing with us, Zishan, on the same day, yeah. If you see potential on trades,
Are we logged in for this?
It's just extremely busy.
Whoa.
Yeah, dude, it's
I know.
Icky mode. Itchy mode.
Yeah, that's why I sent it to you, because you like the Icky Cloud. But you see on the bottom where it says
No, I'm not using any of those anymore.
RSI
Liberty.
and BB divergence and all that. See where the RSI is like way oversold?
What am I gonna do?
Actually, no. The RSI is blank for me on this. I need to open it up. I need to. For some reason, it's wanting me to. This one is not installed. It is installed.
Probably need to turn on. I don't want to turn on.
Can you not short on demand?
Yeah, you can. And
Some
this
tickers.
says hard to buy. You see that HTB on the top on some of them, or
Yeah, this
HTB or NTB.
Oh, where would you see that if it's on the top?
Top next to the ticker, top of the chart.
is in red, HTB.
It's either easy to buy, hard to buy, or none to buy.
Give me an example of one that has it on there right now.
Apple.
Fast, Apple, all of them.
How do you do the quick? You know the hotkey bar that's like the quick buy sell.
So yes, I do, and I don't think you can use hotkeys to practice switch, which was one of my complaints to them when I first ever got Thinkorswim.
No, not hotkeys, but there's like a bar you can put above your charts that you can. It's just like real quick.
Oh, I got you.
Entry exits flat.
If you edit if you turn the sidebar on.
On the buy, sell, flatten, all that stuff.
And I believe it's trade, right? Is that what you're looking for?
You can do it under active trade or click the, if you're using that, or you can use big buttons and then click on that. Or trade, and then just click the gear icon.
Okay, yeah, that's trade. That's what I'm looking for.
Perfect. I actually knew a thing.
Baba looks like it could be a strong short if you can get past that VWAP. AAL looks like a short.
Yeah, I hate that we can't short Baba and fucking Thinkorswim.
I'm gonna set my time to 9:29 because I have a bar, first opening bar already at 9:30.
Yeah, I'm at 9:29:56.
Yeah, I'll do 56.
But we're all gonna be clever and do 56.
I'm going to wait until someone says ding, 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 and then I'm going to press play.
Did you ever load that chart?
No, I haven't yet, man. I will. Also looks like it's going to tank. Maybe.
You said Tesla?
Also.
Do level 2s work on backtest?
Yes. Yeah, Fossil did get down, didn't it?
Yeah, crazy, but going the right way.
Tesla's midway on its range. I don't know if I'd like to trade it. Wait for Tesla to break 315 to get into it, down to 305, or back up to yesterday's high.
Tesla in there.
I don't know if it is reasonable, but it should be.
I think it
Just
should
one of the
go.
moves, you know.
I worked at a foundry, formed metal for 12 years, so work ethics, it's pretty easy for me to sit at a computer and do this after pouring molten metal
Yeah,
for a
I
living.
agree. For some reason, I've got a trend line drawn on it. I mean, I've got trend lines all over the damn thing, but I've got a price line across it at 322.47, which is pretty much where we're sitting at. So there's support / resistance there.
You get a very nice squeeze on ACHV or a short, depending on which way it goes. Yeah, you can place trades. It's practice trading, Zishan, from live data.
Yeah, that one's got a lot of volume on it. Might look for that one to break it out. Yeah, that one may run. But being one of those short float bio pump and dumps, it may just spike and dump.
Yeah. What's the short ratio on it for that day?
Let's see.
Because if it's got a high short ratio, because it looks like it's probably been short in multiple days and people are getting squeezed.
So according to FinViz, Jesus, dude, 51.63% of the float is short.
On this day.
Yeah, and it's also showing that there's less than 1 million shares. Well, there's 1.32 million shares outstanding. So this one is obviously extremely low float and can run.
Yeah, I'll watch it. Like it above $6. Take it long.
Yeah, it looks like if we can pop right above that, and I gotta go to a different chart. I'm on FinViz, but right above that, actually, let me shoot my chart. I agree. Around that $6 mark. Problem is that with it sitting at $3.62, if it runs, to $6, that's a 100% move right there. So you're just talking extended as hell.
On ACHV or MTSL?
I was on ACHV, but here again on my little hacked scanner, it's down in the buy range. RSI is low on it. Problem is just, it may be a pump and dump. It may run first thing and then just dump the rest of the day.
Check out ARQL. It ran new highs 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and pulled all the way back down to retest. Might be a decent long if it gets momentum.
Yeah, I'm liking that. That's we pushed highs like 7 days ago, so it's free sailing above.
Jump into that light on the low end.
Based on my strat, it looks like she's
6 shares.
go down.
50 cents.
Does look like short, but it is from the chart. If you look at the 1 day, 1 year, it's definitely recovering.
Yeah, it's looking like just a retest of trend.
I agree.
I think she could go up to $6 and back down. Or she could go even not even 6, maybe 590, just under 6.
Shares. I'm gonna try to get in at $50 or $5.67. Stop loss way down at 5. Well, my risk is down to 5. My stop loss is gonna be like 544.
Yeah, 1 minute before the open, you see it did gap up again. I mean, obviously I'm like a few seconds away, but it gapped up and started to put a red candle in.
It is on an uptrend.
Shorty.
Awesome oscillators, also big green on it.
And if you guys haven't, make sure to sync your name in the Discord with the stream chat so that we know who's talking to who. You can request your nickname changes down in the F&G basement under nickname change request.
Start 45, quarter.
Yeah, that's in about a minute. We can do that.
We're doing what?
When we want to start.
Yes.
Be easy.
Do we want to start at 10:45?
Well, I think whoever's the master timekeeper needs to give the market open signal, and then everyone who's paused at 8:30.
I got some orders on the open. I'd like to trade the open.
Yeah. So we can press play once, whoever's closest. Who's got the
Fossil?
29?
All right.
Hold on. Fossil looks like a really, really good short. It just broke trend on a downtrend triangle in the hourly. And it's continuation of a downtrend on the daily. Looks like a ascending wedge. Yeah, very, very decent short.
Hard to buy them. Sure, I go through.
Now, mind you, that thinkorswim takes like, a minute. So this first minute, if you're looking for an entry like right away on the on-demand feature, you're gonna have to wait like a minute. It just won't. Yeah, it just won't fill.
That would mess it up.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's kind of strange.
We all press play at the same time, should be good.
Yeah, and when we surf through stocks, it's gonna buffer, and we're gonna get off schedule a little bit, but we'll just deal with it. Just when everyone's ready to light up, just let me know.
10 more seconds. I'm doing some stop buys.
No, you're good, dude. Just take your time.
Call it.
No rush. ARQL, do we look at that? Sure.
Yeah, that's the one we were just doing. There you were saying long over 6.
Yeah. Use the pump through that. 200 SMA.
Okay, I'm ready whenever.
Everybody else ready?
Well, we need to know when the opening bell is. So whenever the open bell is, say go, and I press play.
We all at 9:29:56.
Yep.
I'm at 8:30, but I press play when it hits 8:30.
I think we're close enough. Everybody ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna do ding ding.
Ding ding, go.
Dong.
ARQL pulling way down. Well, not way down, but pulling down.
Starting to.
Fiber looks good for a short.
Missed my fit. I'm not getting filled on ARQL. I'm off by like a few cents.
Yeah, it's gonna take through the first minute, which is okay because normally we let it breathe for just a minute anyway.
Nvidia's holding downtrend.
Fossil going short.
I'm in MTSL short.
I didn't take it. I'm just saying it is going short.
I'm saying I'm in MTSL short.
Will I get filled on
Some-
these limit orders
You,
if the wicks already happened, or will it just not go?
I don't remember, dude. I always market order, brother.
There they go.
I'm
Oh.
short fossil.
Yeah, I'm short fossil as well. I'm long fast. Might be a bit premature.
I jumped in long ARQL and I'm already up $130.
Yep, I'm in ARQL. Nvidia getting a lot of volatility. Indecision.
Yeah, ARQL running good. I didn't take that. I think I'm too late. We said above 6. Watch out, it might dump. I'll look for entry above here if it'll run. I am short fast.
MTSL's working.
Actually, I haven't had it fast yet. Let me hold it. Oof, fossil squeezing.
Getting big buy volume on fossil. It's looking like it's dipping like the other day. Yeah, we might have fucked that up. Might have been a dip buy on fossil at 28.
Yeah. If we crack 28.86, I'll
Out green on MTSL.
ARQO dumping.
Yeah, I got out of my ARQL.
Oh, fossil, we need to go back down.
Fossil pulling back hard.
What was the low float that we were looking at? ACHB? Yeah, still trying to push trend on ACHB. I'm gonna wait.
ACHV looks good.
I'm still bullish on ARQL. Just gonna wait.
26,
Fast is coming down nice.
Yeah, I'm about to enter fast here in just a second when we crack through that 51.30.
it's crossed. Short and fast.
Yeah, this is where our timing's a little off. It hasn't crossed for me yet. I still haven't decided to go anywhere.
934.58.
Up. Yeah.
I'm up 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm 934.57, 6. So I'm a couple seconds behind.
Short fast right now.
I think we're going the wrong way on fast, gents.
Yep, for
I
sure.
think that's a long watch for the break of 52 on that VWAP bounce.
She's gonna have to get cut soon. I'm out. Took a loss on fast. Just about cross.
I'm still bearish on it. It's got support at 51.20.
Russell's working. Just crossed VWAP again.
ACHV getting ready to break out.
That looks good. Missed it. Should have got in earlier.
I'm long fast at the VWAP. And I'm long ACHV.
Long fast.
Yeah, I don't know if it's the right decision or not. It's coming back down on the VWAP.
I went above 590s.
Actually,
Getting a flag on ARQL right now.
Yeah, I'm watching that.
Here comes my money. Fast back down. Still bearish on the 10 minute on fast. Long fast here. 9:37:35. The time, by the way.
Okay.
fast just killed me.
Yeah, it's fucking crushing me right now, too.
Yeah, big and. What else? CHV. Very convincing. IQ.
ARQL breaking out.
Good. Take her, she crosses the FO V1.
Yeah, watch it over that $6.
Gotta get VWAP across.
Possible short starting to work.
Finally.
Nvidia, it's still parabolic or consolidating indecision. Looks like it's building a triangle.
If MTSL gets down to $3, I'm going long.
Possible going good.
Yeah, Spartan has swing trading. Yeah, got a very nice short on Fossil. Nice short on Fossil.
And for a neutral trade now. Locked in some profit. Awesome.
Took half profits on Fossil. No, I didn't. I just bought. Holy shit.
ARQL failed.
I just bought 2,000 shares. Holy. Glad this is a paper account.
Yeah.
Right?
Damn fast.
For half a second, I was up $500. Hold on a second. Where am I at?
Yeah, fast is it's trying. We're bottoming out here, so that's good. Starting to build higher lows.
ECHV.
I'm gonna take my profits on
There are no time and sales on demand, is there?
Yeah.
I'm all out fast. I'm getting resistance here on fast. Sorry, fossil. You see those past 3 wicks on the hourly?
Yeah.
I got in long at fast 51.27.
I might jump back into it because it's got room to the downside if it makes higher lows or lower highs.
I was setting up for short.
ACHB totally failed.
ARQL still uptrending. Yep, Sam, and feel free to join us.
Yeah, ARQL.
The time frame we're at right now is right up here. I'm up $85 on the day. Nice.
Fast is wearing in here. We're about to crack.
Let me know if it makes lower highs on fast. I'm scanning through tickers right now.
Yeah, fast is looking good for sure.
And it looks like we picked the best movers right now out of this watch list you sent. Nothing else is moving.
Fossil still looks good.
MTLS, potential dip buy on MTLS right now.
Adding to fast.
Potential long on MTLS, low float. Touching low end resistance right now.
Sorry, I meant fossil, not adding to fast.
Fossil's back and shit.
Oh yeah, fossil's doing good.
Let's cross view up. It was a good ad, dude. Nice.
Long on MTLS.
There we go. Fast coming back up now. Not dramatically, but looks like we're not sinking.
Exited fast. Sorry, fossil.
Yeah, I'm still holding in fossil.
Fast.
I am in fast. I'm long in fast. Underwater right this minute.
Sure. 200 shares.
That's not what I wanted to do. Damn it.
You know, watch yourself there, because if you look, you see how what happened. Fast isn't cracking below that 50.72.
Gonna go. Trust me.
ARQL is bouncing on the VWAP again.
I'm in long right now. ARQL at 590.
What the fuck?
Watching NVIDIA for a short, potential short.
No, I don't want to be in this. Position long. Oh my god. 1209, sell. This, what the fuck? Jesus. Do not like TOS's in order entries. So that just got all kinds of fucked up. I was up like $80, but somehow.
Oh no, leg. Look at that fast. It's just it won't crack that number. If it cracks, it's gonna be big.
It has to be live account Z-Shane. It can't be paper.
That V1 crosses that 200 she's got. Be a long play. There you go. There you go.
They are QL family now, guys.
Why can I not flatten?
Video. Be a short under 248.
Yeah, I'm watching the video right now. Looks like we've got a double bottom though.
Yeah, we should have gone in at 249.60. NTNX, look at that. Yeah, missed that one.
High social. Well, I was up like $80 and then somehow bought 1,200 shares of BRZU.
What the hell?
And apparently I'm in AQXP as well.
Rolling shares, dude.
Yeah, you gotta, in order to do it right, you gotta do it right.
I'm in trades that I haven't even pulled up charts on.
Is that because you set those orders at the beginning? Or?
No, these are tickers out of AQXP. I'm not looking at that. I wasn't looking at BRZU. I went to my monitor tab and I was like, oh, I've got open trades.
I wonder if you had them from before.
Maybe I have to reset them.
NTNX is looking nice on that VWAP.
Yeah. She's gonna bounce off.
It echoes. They're playing through my speakers.
She's gonna bounce off.
Here, I can switch it.
The video coming down.
Be a buy after.
There.
There's not a lot of range there now.
MTLS upticking.
I should have taken that position in American Airlines. Classic there. Classic. The AAL.
Damn, we missed that, didn't we?
Short fossil again. Getting tons of sellers.
Yeah, I'm still short fossil from where I added. New low fossil.
Lots of
NTNX cracking.
lots of bids on in the 30s on fossil. Starting to get a bunch of buyers on fossil at 60. Still heavy selling.
Pizza.
I'm currently in Tradenet. They have 28 times leverage.
I'm gonna go pizza. Come on, I'm going pizza. What's ACHP do?
NVIDIA building lower highs. Potential break on this hourly channel wedge. Has lots of long potential too on NVIDIA. It goes back into channel.
Fast short looking a little bit better.
This is on demand, Carter. We are currently backtesting July 11th at 9:50:43. If you have TOS, you just hit the on demand button,
Long.
and
Look at that.
you can follow along with us and practice trading. We're practice trading right now.
What's your time on there? I'm at 8:50. What are you at?
9:51:05.
Oh yeah, I'm 8:51. You're 1 minute ahead of me. Shit.
It's old data,
Yeah,
but it's
coming
still
down.
practice price action. NVIDIA going long.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it long on the VWAP.
Yeah, I want to see it break that trend on pre-market.
Take her at 250.
Yeah.
Fast is still working.
Yeah, I'm struggling with fast. It's
Still
just
long?
I'm still long, and it's just sitting there. Yeah.
Oh, she's leaving. She's going down.
Eh,
Just because you're a minute ahead of me, don't tell me.
No, I was a minute behind. I've just adjusted to 8:52.
I'm seeing fast as a dip right now at 50, 51.
She's gone. Out the door.
I'm getting EMA support at 51.
So what y'all saying is I need to get the hell out of fast.
I might take it long actually here if it breaks trend.
I hate fast. Don't get me wrong. Screwing me.
I'm gonna wait for trend break and I'll go long on it.
Long NVIDIA.
Fossil's not getting below 2760.
Yeah, I know. That's why I think it's gonna crack though, dude. I really do.
Also,
It has given it's given no reason why to get out, really. Did you buy on the VWAP?
No, I'm waiting for trend break. I still see a triangle, a triangle here.
should get some shares of Fossil.
I'm seeing a lot of short sellers on NVIDIA.
Yeah, it's back on the VWAP. I still haven't bought yet.
I'm waiting for 250 break.
There we go. Fast coming up now.
Ooh.
Swear it just looks like a long to me.
It looks like a long to me as well. Just gotta be patient.
Yeah, but you're gonna have some pressure on the VWAP here. NVIDIA's there you go, new low in Fossil again.
What's your time, Skylar?
9:54 with 50 seconds.
All right, you're a couple rough.
Ahead or behind you?
I just jumped to 9:55:20.
Ahead of me.
Yeah, you're about 20 seconds. Yeah, because whenever you change tickers, it buffers and sets you back a couple seconds.
Okay.
So we're all gonna be a few seconds in between each other.
Let's all pause real quick actually and resync. Let's do 9:50:20. Or sorry, 9:55:20.
Dude, that is the exact time I'm on. That's funny.
Is everybody synced? Ready?
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, ding, ding, ding.
Oh, damn it.
Oh fuck, I missed fast.
I told you.
Well, you were at the wrong time.
Jump now. Jump. Just get on the bitch. Get on it on the VWAP.
I don't like VWAP tests. I always get fucked on VWAP tests.
Telling you, if we get
Chase
above
that
it,
bitch. She owes me $254.
I'm still seeing bearish. It's flirting with trend right now.
now when it pulls down, if it respects the VWAP, then dude, you have no reason not to go long.
It's hitting pre-market trend right now.
And then you'll have like a freaking 2-cent stop. If you go below the VWAP, just cut that bitch right then and there. Re-enter above it.
Am I in right now? Fast and fossil. I gotta check fossil. Break
Fossil, we're still good.
I wanted to.
NVIDIA broken.
Fuck. I wanted that candle that opened off of trend. I would have got into that at like 51.20.
Crisco.
I'm seeing no level 2 stuff on fast. Are you? Got 3 bids and 1 seller.
Checking. My level 2s are full.
You can lose 700.
Really?
On fast, yeah. Looks like we've got 800. Well, it says 800. Obviously, we know that's 10 behind it, but 800's at 51.47, and that's on the bid, and 400 on the ask at 51.52.
There you go.
And fast is coming up.
Yeah, fast breaking.
What time are you at again?
9:57:59.
SPY doing nothing.
What the hell?
Told you should have just took it off the VWAP.
NVIDIA coming back down. It's getting to the end of its triangle soon. Maybe another 10 minutes. For those that are just tuning in, we are back testing July 11th. It's currently 9:58 and 23 seconds. If you would like to join us, we are doing a group back testing and just practicing trading. If you have TOS, you just hit the on-demand button up at the top. You know, this could be a really good idea to just leave these live streams up and let people practice trading off of our calls.
I do it a lot. Obviously not the streaming part, but just the practice part.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Just do this maybe once or twice a week. Schedule it. We just random, just chose 7-11, Skyler.
Ask the viewers who they like. Abba was a good short for me there.
Yeah, Baba was really nice. Good job there.
The RQL is gone.
Did it leave?
Fast is getting huge volume. I'm taking.
Hold on.
Apparently my quantities are not working correctly. I got out fast. I'm up. I don't know what I'm up. I'm up green today, but I don't know what it is. I'm currently at $30.
Why did you leave fast?
Pull back, just high. Touching close. It hasn't red to green moved yet. I'll wait for the break red to green move and I'll get back in it.
Oh shit, ARQL failed like a bitch.
On its way, dude. Not the fire.
It's got lots of room to the downside.
That's one of them pump and dumps. I love it when those happen during the good months. I short them a lot.
I would say IQ's looking good long. I missed them.
We look at gappers, Alex. We're just looking at
Nvidia's
gappers.
got its bottom,
31.20.
guys.
And then I've got a watch list I just kind of cycle through. You know, I look at like Nvidia and Tesla and
Either Nvidia
Google or stuff.
found its bottom and we're good, or it's going to break through that 248.62 and really go short.
Yeah, I want it.
There it goes, long.
I want it above 250 before I get into it long.
Video.
Fast, about to break out. Great pattern right there on 1 minute.
Good thing we all stayed in it.
Yeah, my entry was a little early, but
Got 51.80.
I tried to downsize actually. I didn't try to get all the way out, but apparently when I enter quantities, it doesn't work.
You have to press enter.
should have taken Nvidia long. Watch Nvidia for the break. You said you're looking at it above 250?
Yeah, but I'm watching fast right now.
Took it at the cross there.
All right, I'm getting a ton of resistance on fast at 52.25 into the 30s.
Yeah.
Lots of level 2 resistance.
It still looks good though.
Mm-hmm.
There is no reason it's not giving any exit signs yet.
It's coming up to yesterday's volume just for today. Currently at 4.2 million for the day. Yesterday was 4.5.
NTNX running too. Not hard, but good bounce off the VWAP.
Now, it's my live account, but it's we're paper trading.
Yeah, we may have a little pullback. If not, it's just gonna. I feel like it's just gonna shoot because you see those candles compressing.
Mm-hmm.
This is one of those situations where I feel like if it goes, it's when it jumps over your entry if you got a limit order in. If it just explodes.
Unless you're trading a CFD.
This is true.
Yeah, fast is definitely the hot stock of the day.
Okay, so looking at fast, we've got huge buyers. We just passed over there you go, the 52.25. I got you up. There was like 800 on there.
Time sync. We're currently at 10:04:18. Is that what everybody's got?
22.
10:04:16. So yeah, I can push the fast forward button for just a sec.
That's gonna jump you away. So
I'm at 42.
No, not
43,
that fast
44.
forward button. Shit, my Mac's about to die. Hang on.
Fossil still coming down.
I should never have left that one.
Yeah, it's still in it. It's probably going to bottom out into the 30s.
TNA.
Thanks, Mansour.
Very interesting. Also was good. Seed, SEO, nothing there. Netgear, did that do anything? Kind of move.
I'm probably done in about 10 minutes. I need to get to bed.
With that too.
I'm down to start this a little earlier next time if you guys want.
For sure.
Yeah, man.
Time.
And I'll hang out for a few minutes still.
7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Sound good to you guys?
Different times. Is
Well,
that 7 Eastern? Is that?
yeah, be 6 for Central or I don't know what Central. I know East Coast is.
These buyers are fast.
I'm to find that. Come on, buyers.
Huge buyers.
Nice.
Fossil starting to curl. It's looking like the bottom of a cup and handle.
I think I'm gonna try some NTNX long here. Long at 54. Just try it.
I'm getting out of Fossil.
Look at ARQL make a comeback to the VWAP.
MTLS pushing pre-market resistance. This is a low float on its second day up. It's about to squeeze hard. MTSL, sorry, MTSL. It's currently at almost at all-time highs, and it could squeeze hard.
Look at BPL. Obviously, it left the building, but
BPL.
yeah, I don't know. I was just holding 50 shares of it. No, it's not. I just was looking at open positions, and I had 50 shares of it, and I was like, whoa. Something I was messing with on a previous day.
All right, I'm out of everything right now. $48 or $49.
I'm out of everything too. I'm gonna.
So you know what we could have done before you exited? Just run it. Just go into the date and run it down to like three. You know, just immediately fast forward to 3 o'clock and just see what it looks like.
No.
You know what I mean? Though, just to see what
See
it
how well you technically could have done.
How many bucks did you say?
What's that?
Oh yeah. Garen?
Well, now it's 29. Hold on.
I think his
Oh.
was jacked because he had the wrong. He had some positions open or something.
Yeah, overall profits. No, that's not right. It's 29 bucks on
NTA.
fast, 48 bucks on fossil, 17 bucks on MTSL, minus 750 on ARQL. Yeah, so I was up like 80 something bucks. No, up almost 100 maybe.
Nothing wrong with that. That would have been a successful day.
Yeah, it's like almost 100% gain.
Spencer's quiet. What are you
Huh.
at, Spencer?
With the on demand, they don't have any of the stupid commissions.
Imagine.
Nah, dude, you're just replaying. That's all.
Well, I just had
Why does a paper
4
account
green
have
trades
commissions in the first place? $7
risking
for a paper account? Are you kidding me?
risking about 20 bucks per
Fossil's
trade.
getting ready to crack
Made
again.
almost $100 today. They're on this practice.
There it goes.
Yeah, fossil. There's all the money I left. There's the bottom though. I'm seeing bottom at 33.
Oh no.
That's
Getting ready to test it right now on my time.
that's that wick from the dip buy wick from 2 days ago on the hourly.
We're 27.33, so let's see what happens. Fast doing a pullback. Hit 27.28 and started to bounce up, Garen. Coming back down now, though.
Ask chat if they like this.
Is anybody in there?
Yeah.
I mean, you just technically did, right?
29 people.
Yeah, I'm
It
seeing
was the last minute.
you're getting a lot of buyers now.
Come on, fast. Come on, fossil. Move me today.
Yeah, this is pretty nice to practice opening bell because I never trade opening bell. I'm down to do this every week.
More screen time, better.
If you keep your watch list, like Leggy did, then you can use your watch list for that day and go back and replay. That way, if you had a loser or something, you go back and replay it. That's usually the way I do it.
Yeah.
I like the fact it was that long ago because we can't remember.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna get off here. Go to bed.
58.
All right, dude.
Enjoy the night.
I'm gonna stay in chat for a few minutes, but
Of the screen.
I'll leave the
$55.
I'll leave the stream and
Fossil
chat
getting
up
ready
for
to crack 27.
about 5 minutes, and I'll shut it down. Fast coming down.
Fast pulling back down a little bit. It's making higher lows on the 1 minute though.
I didn't think it'd get that move.
No, it's not.
Red to green.
That's why I was telling you, brother. It's so close to the VWAP. You use the VWAP as a stop. If it goes, because the whole support becomes resistance becomes support. Because if you look at it right now, see every time it touches the VWAP, it wants to pull back up. NTNX still bouncing on the VWAP. I am still in it, but pretty much flat, up $2.
MTSL. Just went short on it.
NTNX, you're short.
MTSL. She crossed the VWAP. MTSL short. 1,000 shares.
NTNX is definitely liking the VWAP. It's not it's not giving it up yet.
Which one are you looking at?
Yeah, I was looking at NTNX. Also watching ARQL keeps coming back to that VWAP. Garen was right on that fossil support.
TNX looks like she wants to go up.
Yeah. I'm long at the VWAP.
It's that one.
A lot of resistance right here at that 54.35 mark. Fossil trying to go back to the VWAP. Fast still not breaking the VWAP. Guess we can kind of watch chat. I guess these guys probably aren't obviously replaying today.
Chat's mostly just Z and I talking.
Cool. You're all over it then. I just gave back almost $500 in fast by not coming out.
Look at that. That's what I want. MTSL. Look at that.
You're doing what you're talking about. Just put it in and seeing how it does at the end of the day.
Come on, MTSL.
That's a great trade. There you go. Look at it dumping. What was your entry?
363. Just as it crossed.
Nice.
$286.
Look at it go now. Fossil testing the VWAP. If we break the VWAP, I'll go out. I wish I would have took MTSL with you.
Yeah, I just when it crossed. And the EMA crossed the VWAP. Went straight in.
NTNX trying to break out. Got it above that resistance of 54.39. Now if we just stay above it. Come on, Fossil, don't shake me out like this.
Now we're looking at a better day. That's much better. $325. Green. Neck gear too.
NPD. It usually doesn't move very much, does it?
How do you post pictures in the pit?
Fossil rejected by the
little
VWAP. That's
sign
good.
next to the message. TSL's pulling back. It got out at the right time.
Putting pictures in the pit.
No, in chat, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it based off one of your trades?
Yeah, I was just gonna put a screenshot of the trades that I made while we were doing this because I'm gonna hit the sack.
Do you have like snip tool?
I have no clue.
You know where Cortana is on your desktop or your search bar down at the bottom there?
Tesla, dude.
Yeah, I shut her down. I can't.
Dude,
Yeah,
look
I
at your
have the
MTSL
screenshot
coming down
taken.
more.
I just don't know how to put it on the chat.
Trying.
Going long Tesla.
One way of doing it is right-clicking it, copying it, and then right-click and paste it.
Are you watching stream, Anthony? I can show you how to do it.
Yeah, I'll watch it. Go ahead.
So
Yeah, make sure to put it in the review trades though.
print screen. Go to Paint. Paste it. And then just select what you want. Hit Control V, copy it. Exit out of Paint, and then paste. Control V and message.
Nice. NTNX trying to break high today. I'll add if we do that, if we have volume and strength.
Okay, I got you.
There's the working.
Fossil still respecting the VWAP. If we don't cross, I may add up here. I mean, I am green on the trade, so it's not like I'm adding to a losing trade.
Okay. You gonna take him up on that offer?
I don't know, Earl. How cute are you? And it depends on what restaurant. I'm pretty expensive.
That's about a 3 out of 5. We're shooting right down the middle, basically.
So drunk, you're
So
10.
looks like it wants more
Is what you're
today.
saying?
Oh, there it goes.
Tesla, I hate you.
What are you watching?
NTNX failed the breakout. We were watching MTSL. Clegg took it short, and then he just came out where you got the green candle on the 1 minute, the green candle dojied, and now it's breaking down some more.
Fast testing VWAP and
Are you kidding me?
yeah.
Oh yeah, the old McDonald's.
NTNX still trying to break out.
I'm fighting Tesla at the moment. Made a stupid trade.
I'm more of a Taco Bell girl. I don't think this is gonna work. We're just
Long Tesla, right?
I'm feeling different. I'm feeling wrong vibes.
Some resistance up
Yeah,
there.
it looks like we got not quite, but looks like almost a triple top.
It's a new high for the day, pretty much. But needs to consolidate a little bit, see what she does after this.
Not quite the same wavelengths. Sounds like you're speaking different love languages.
There's the
Yeah, there it is. Tesla's the short coming in.
peak of Tesla. Stupid. Too extended.
Damn, fossil bounced quick.
Yeah, I went out at the VWAP. Went from being up $1,000 to being up 200.
I'm at 160.
Why didn't you get out on the trend break?
Ignorance and paper money.
Ah,
Truthfully, I'd let it go a little bit more than halfway up there, so I was kind of hoping for a reject of the VWAP and to be able to add. But it just shot through it, so I went out. I'll go back in if we break the VWAP.
Yeah, you might get it here. Probably gonna downtrend triangle for a minute or flag.
Fast looks nice. Bounced off the VWAP, very nice.
You're at the 50 fib right now on Fossil for the day.
Check out SMCI. That's doing something.
So I can't. My first date with my girlfriend right now, it
yeah,
was my house.
Thinking it's gonna come back down.
We took a date to my house.
HB.
Fast, long with the VWAP.
Earl was such a nice troll.
We're talking about it.
That was a well troll. That was a very
but we never
very good
break it.
A kind troll.
And it's kind of on a little bit of an uptrend, so even where it was touching, it was still in the we're still in the money. And Tesla, hope you're out of that. It looks
he was a classy troll.
Even more.
That's a good description.
We need more of that type of troll in the streams.
What did he say? I didn't see.
I liked it. I liked it.
Fossil may turn around. Get it.
I think it's going to bounce in the teens or the 20s. It might come back to retest that trend on the hourly. That wick trend.
Yeah, see it. Sure is strong though.
Fast as a buying. Breaks over this.
Yeah, I'm still long fast. Tesla turning around again. If you look at the candles on the 1 minute, you can see them doji. You got the bottom and tails, and then a red doji, a green doji, and then up.
Tesla?
Yeah.
Shows me money.
Sitting here looking at Tesla on the 1 minute, there's a gap to fill. And normally when intraday gaps form, they normally fill, right?
We gotta go. Okay. Yeah. Actually, normally would fill that up to what, 322?
All right, I'm getting out of here. I'm going to be sitting here for the next hour.
All right, dude. We'll see you in the morning.
See ya.
Fossil coming back down, though.
All right, guys. If you enjoyed this stream, we'll probably make it a regular thing.
Wait a minute.
I
mean, my logic there would be on Fossil.
probably will aim for like 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, where we will we'll do a back test for the group, and we might do something on the weekend too, because the more screen time the better, the more practice the better you're gonna get. And we'll get it scheduled and continuously do it, and might even be able to get some of the other good traders that I follow to come in and test it out or something. I wonder if Spartan would be interested in running a back test group thing. But I'm getting out of here, going to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow on the opening bell.